I don't know now what the legality, copyright वगैरह is to talk about this.
Sure.
But है अभी बहुत ज़्यादा curiosity इंटरनेट पर about the रामायण film.
Sure.
I'd like to ask you first. आपका क्या perspective है कि
14 साल हुए इसके साथ,
हाँ
मेरा भी वनवास पूरा ही हुआ है. बिकॉज तब से लेकर अब तक आई हैव बीन वांटिंग फॉर हिम टू प्ले समथिंग एंड जो इसे उस लाइट में देख सके लोग जिस लाइट में मैं देखती हूँ कि
दिव्य इंसान.
and not only like that, as an actor also I feel कि मतलब, but the only thing is that I cannot right now separate the two here because Ramayana is not just a film, it's history like they say. So him playing Lakshman can't just be as an actor, it has to be that. And I know that he's such a spiritual person that he wouldn't have taken it only as an actor, it would have been a divine calling, it would have been that frequency choosing him to play so. मतलब मैं म्यूजिक में क्रेडिट्स पढ़ती हूँ, मुझे लगता है ये तो इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते, तो शुक्र है लिखा नहीं स्पेसिफिक्स. रवि की पहली फिल्म का म्यूजिक AR रहमान और हैंस जिमर करे तो ऐसा तो नहीं कर सकते ना आप.
How you feeling?
Just very 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 grateful है. जैसा सरगुन ने कहा, ये हमारी फोरसाइट में भी नहीं आ सकता था. पॉसिबल ही नहीं था कि मतलब ये दिस काइंड ऑफ अ फिल्म, दिस काइंड ऑफ अ कोलैबोरेशन, रणबीर भाई प्लेइंग राम, साई पल्लवी as सीता, यश भाई प्लेइंग रावण, you know, and Sunny sir as Hanuman. This and Hans Zimmer, A.R. Rahman sir doing the music, Nitesh sir directing it. These are incredible. It's an incredible, you know, I mean, ये सपनों में ही होता है इस तरीके की जो चीज़ होती है. ये असलियत में आप सोच के नहीं कर सकते. ये सिर्फ कोई प्रभु कोई हाथ रखते हैं, you know, तो वो हो जाता है, या कोई दैवी शक्ति होती है जो तो वो हो जाता है. सो आई एम जस्ट एक्सट्रीमली आई मीन, मैं जितना भी उनका डेट चुकाना चाहूँ मुझसे नहीं चुकेगा. नितेश तिवारी सर, नमित मल्होत्रा सर एंड मुकेश भाई, मैं इन तीनों के लिए तो आई एम फॉर एवर गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी, आई एम गोइंग टू बी इंडेटेड.
इस रोल ने आपको बदला?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली. अगर आप अपने आप को बदलो नहीं तो आपकी बातों में शायद किरदार दिखाई देगा, आपकी आंखों में दिखाई नहीं देगा. लोग पकड़ लेंगे इनसिंसियरिटी, दे विल रियली कैच. सो मेरे लिए इतना ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट था कि मैंने अपनी पूरी दिनचर्या को, जितना सिर्फ मैंने ही नहीं, हमारे साथ जितने भी सब लोग काम कर रहे थे, एवरीबडी चेंज देयर लाइफ इन इट्स एंटायरिटी. रणबीर भाई हैज़ चेंज्ड हिज लाइफ इन इट्स एंटायरिटी. इन हिज एंटायरिटी यू शुड सी द सैक्रिफाइसेस ही इज़ मेड इन हिज पर्सनल लाइफ. ये दिस इज़ नॉट अ फिल्म, ये यज्ञ हो रहा है. तो हमें भी, मुझे लगता है कि जो हमसे बन पाया, जितनी लिमिटेड हमारी कैपेसिटी है, जो हमसे बन पाया, जो हम त्याग सके, जो चीज़ें कर सके, वो सब we tried to change that about ourselves. Even temperament, even how we are reacting to people, how we are looking at people, meeting people, all those things we tried our best in transforming ourselves. Sometimes we did well, sometimes maybe not, but that's okay.
कभी सेट पे गए?
नो
नहीं गए.
अरे मुझे तो पता भी नहीं
मैंने
था
बताया ही नहीं इसको बहुत लंबे टाइम तक.
Really?
Yeah. I
How?
came to know, like, because we don't talk about work like that. Now this is so odd. We work together, but we don't talk about our work like that. Like, he doesn't know the films I am doing until or unless they are announced. And I don't know the work he is doing until or unless it's announced.
ऐसा आप शूट खत्म कर ले तो
Announcement कभी शूट से पहले हो जाती है, कभी बाद में
हवा
हो
आ जाती है, लोगों को पता चली जाता है, तो किसी और के वाया पता लग जाए तो लग जाए, लेकिन हम लोग बात नहीं
मुझे
करते.
बोला congratulations Ravi. I said I don't know what you're talking about, but we are not allowed to tell each other, so don't tell me. So then मुझे कहीं मैंने पढ़ा, then I'm like, अच्छा अभी इसने बताया तो है नहीं, तो पूछ भी नहीं सकती हूँ. So then मतलब धीरे धीरे जब तक officially he said it to me the day the team allowed him to say it, तब तक तो मैं भी सिर्फ हवा में ही थी. Like मेरे घर वाले बोल रहे हैं कि कर रहा है, and we'd just keep mum. And he'd be like, I'm like, Ravi कहाँ जा रहे हो? He'd be like, काम पे जा रहा हूँ. It's not even shoot पे जा रहा हूँ, it's काम पे जा रहा हूँ. So yeah, and I have no clue कि set पे क्या हुआ. Once or twice I've asked the driver कि set पे माहौल कैसा.
वो भी मेरे बारे में नहीं, वो रणबीर भाई के बारे में. वो कैसे बात करते हैं, मतलब is he how is he?
Because I want to.
She's like all of us. She's a huge.
So how is he?
अरे he is incredible यार. I mean, आप मिले ही होंगे कभी ना कभी तो. You must have met him.
उनकी भी और है.
Oh, he has an incredible aura. Quiet, graceful, committed.
very it's a grown man who's
Yeah.
very masculine but also makes you feel like he's a puppy.
He also has a very soft energy,
Yes.
very welcoming, very soft energy he has. So this is what I think everybody would feel when he meets him. Yash Bhai, on the other hand, is very friendly. Very friendly in the sense that he's, there are two different warm people, two different very, very warm people.
So nice. You tell him, but you've never told me. I'm hearing this for the first time. I didn't even know he met him. Can you imagine? I live with him. I didn't know that he's met Yash. So this is odd.
जो आपने कहा कि सेट पर एक यज्ञ चल रहा था, पूरे फिल्म यज्ञ की तरह थी, मतलब क्या एनर्जी क्या थी सेट पे?
So, maybe not films, but in the industry, I mean, we've been on a set for the past 25 years. So it's generally chaos. I have never ever seen a set where everything is working like clockwork. Where there is not a single shift extent, where everybody is beautifully on time, ready with what they have to do, submitting and surrendering to, the commander of the ship, which in our case we are lucky to have is Nitesh sir.
एक आखिरी सवाल है, and this is just my own nerdiness speaking,
it,
so
please.
please don't mind this. Do you feel that you understand the Ramayana more deeply now?
I think what is happening right now, we are all attempting to understand our scriptures far, far better than what we used to. But that's the thing about our scriptures, especially the Puranas, is that every time you read them or you read excerpts from them, they have a different meaning, as opposed to something which is clinical, which is direct. There is a way that you'll absorb that same episode. What I think that is happening, apart from us getting very close to our scriptures, is the need of the hour for the world. And why did the scriptures choose Namit sir? Is because only Namit sir could make that kind of an ecosystem possible. It's impossible to have those names, to have Hans Zimmer doing a music, to make it really the cinematic experience that the whole world can come close, and now this character of Sri Ram can enter their consciousness as well.
All I'll say is thanks on behalf of a whole generation, to all of you guys.
That's बड़े लोग हैं दिग्गज वहाँ पे, they are making it possible. I'm just a very small keg in it.
इतने सारे बड़े नाम साथ में जुड़कर बहुत ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द थर्ड पर्सन perspective on everything that's happening, so there's definitely divine energy in this.